Welcome to our Photoshop tutorial. Today we will learn how to manipulate multiple images in Photoshop. Make a selection by using pen tool. Ctrl plus enter. Select the foreground color white. Apply inner shadow. Adjust the setting as you want. Click OK. Place embedded. Decrease the opacity and adjust. Click OK. Now duplicate the layer and apply clipping mask. Select the first layer and select the required area. Adjust the image perfectly. Apply mask. Now adjust the boy image. Thanks for watching.